Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The name of the channel is She Can. Basically, what we're gonna be doing today, I'm gonna show you how I do my cornrows without any fiber. I'm just going to be using her natural hair. I won't talk much throughout the whole video, so I hope you like, you comment, you share this video with your friends and family, and I hope you grab something out of it. And yeah, enjoy. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.